It's interesting, no? Jinggoy, he was forcing them to say projects nila is only in Metro Manila. And then this guy said, no, actually, most of our projects are in the provinces. I think she was careful not to say Davao. But she said many different places across the country, even Cebu. Even,
Ang
so,
problema lang ni Jinggoy, parang
ay marami siyang problema.
ang hirap kasi mag-imbestiga ng mga ghost projects kung nakulong ka dahil sa ghost project.
Convicted ka pa rin technically.
At ongoing yung kaso.
Yeah.
Diba?
Pero bibo siya.
Medyo nabawasan ka na ng konting credibility. Konti lang.
Assuming there was to begin with. But speaking of credibility, how do you see Mark Oleta's handling? Kasi the moment na Tito Soto, di ba, ito yung body within DPWH na nagbibigay ng clearance sa mga contractors. Sabi niya, di ba you were appointed by President Rodrigo Duterte? Biglang si Mark Oleta, I think we ran out of time. Parang yung ginagawa ko sa'yo, Sir Ronald. Pag may sasabihin ka politically incorrect, Hoy! Di ba may tayo? Parang ganun nangyari.